I beg you, who am I beg I them father? Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me coming out to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing for a company called Klaiyi Hair. Klaiyi Hair. It's a hair company on Amazon. This is the Klaiyi short curly human hair wigs, lace front wigs, Brazilian water wave, REMY hair, machine made wig with cat replacement, and it's 8 inches in the color natural black. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. And you got a wig, 2 caps, and some lashes. Open the wig. It doesn't really have a scent. It smells like packed hair. It have a hairnet. Have these clip things. Tissue. Cap construction. It's a lace front wig, but basically you're only able to part it one way, and that'll be this way. It has 2 clips on the top, 1 clip on the bottom, adjustable straps, and this is the hair texture. It's really cute. I like these curls. I am getting some shedding. I feel like all curly hair sheds, so. And this is the parting area. This lace is a little bit brown or whatever, but that might be a good thing because I might not have to put makeup on it. But I am gonna bleach these knots. I want to get rid of these little black dots, but I may just put makeup on it. I don't know. I'm thinking, should I try it on? Should I take this wig off to try it on? Nah, let me get my mannequin head. This is what it's looking like on the mannequin head. Now that we've seen the hair, let's get into the details. Once again, this is Klaiyi short curly human hair wig, lace front wig, Brazilian water wave, REMY hair, machine made wig with cat replacement for black women, 8-inch natural black. And another thing I want to point out, the fact that it says for black women is because the lace itself, the lace right here, this is the lace, and it's brown, so it's made for brown skin tones. Not recommended for light skinned people unless you're gonna do something, alter the lace or whatever. The hair material is 100% Brazilian short human hair. It's 130% density, 8 inches. The hair color is natural black. Texture water wave. The cap size is average size. Average size is about 22 to 23 inches. It says that it's suitable dyeing colors are all colors, but we'll see about that. And the lace color is medium brown, like I just said. Now, for the price of this wig on Amazon, it is now $53.99. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Stay tuned for the install video. I want to give a huge shout out to Klaiyi, an Amazon hair company, for sending me this wig, and a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.